How to download Milestone Credit Card on your Android device. What's up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys an easy way to download Milestone Credit Card app on your Android device. If you guys didn't know, My Soul Credit Card is a secured credit card that is designed for people who have little or no credit history or who also may have some negative credits. So it is accessible by all people and it has a lot of benefits, which includes reward points. And in addition to the reward points which you will earn on your every transaction, you will also be eligible for bonus rewards points on achieving the below spends criteria in an anniversary year. Alright, so let's see how you can download the app. First thing first, you will have to open up your Google Play Store, and from here you are just going to search for Milestone and search for this app right here, which is by Milestone Financial Service. Now you are just going to tap on install and the installation process will start right away. Now, once the installation is complete, you should be easily able to use Milestone Credit Card, and it also allows a easy login experience as well. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.